Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at MyCase. In order to do so, here we are at MyCase.com, and what is MyCase all about? Well, it's the industry-leading legal case management software and solutions. Case management, keep all your case details and documents in one location. Client communication, real-time updates, messaging, document sharing, and task management. Billing and payments, track time, generate invoices, and accept payments. And you can enter your email address here in order to get started. Client intake forms, e-signatures, calendaring, document management, time entry, and expense tracking, built-in text messaging, a client portal, billing and invoicing, law, pay, payments. If MyCase is something that you are interested in, then head to mycase.com. Let's take a look at the pricing. We'll take a look at the monthly here. So we have the basic, which is $49 per month. Then we go up to the Pro, which is $99 per user per month. Same thing with the basic. We got $49 per user per month. And then we have the advanced, which is $119 per user per month. And you can come here to get a demo. You can try MyCase for free. You can talk to one of the AI assistants here in order to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra. It'll tell you how to use it, how to get the most out of it. And if you click on the link in the link tree, you can get 60% off your first month subscription to help you get started. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, click on the link in the link tree. You can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Check to see if it's available in your area.